Assalamu alaikum audience. Hope you all are doing well. This is me Sabir Ahmed Sharna, a student from the famous and great English Language Center Bangladesh from the awesome batch KT1 to 7. So today I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. So let's start. On weekdays, I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. Afterwards, I have breakfast with my younger sister. I usually eat rice with fried eggs as my breakfast. Sometimes I also have bread with a cup of hot tea. Almost every morning, I drink a cup of lemon juice. Then I put on my uniform and go to school with my father. My school starts at 8 o'clock and breaks up at 12 o'clock. Then I return home with my mother and my younger sister. Afterwards, I take a shower and have lunch with my mother. Then I take a nap. After taking a nap, I have some snacks and do my homework. After completing my homework, I play with my sisters and gossip with them. Sometimes I also watch TV together. Finally, I have dinner with my family. So then I go to bed. Before go to bed, I read some stories. So that was all about my daily routine. Thanks for watching me. Bye.